Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 100 moving average on cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader, then go to this F icon here at the top. Click on Find Indicator and type Moving Average. Now you can choose one of these moving averages here. Okay. For me, I will choose the simple moving average. We have here periods. Type 100. We have here the color. You can change it if you want. So I will choose, for example, this color. We have here the type of the line, and we have here the thickness of the line. So I will choose, for example, 3 and click on OK. And now this one is our 100 moving average. As you can see, simple moving average 100. Color is yellow. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.